How is everybody today? This cute little witch hat's cute. There we go. Welcome back. Sorry guys, I had to take a minute to just gather my thoughts. And here I am. You good? Welcome in, Steven. Welcome in, everybody. Hey, Holly. Thank you, Holly. Hi, Angela. How are you, Holly? Did you get any sleep? Did you get any sleep on? No laying down now? Hi, Sweet Pea. Always be gone, yeah. You wish the world could be that way. Whoa, let's go in. There we go. Hello, everyone. Hello. It's getting cold in here again. I did have the oven on and it heated up the house a little, but my God, it's getting cold. I cannot wait to have heat tomorrow. Especially like rainy days like this. Oh. It depends on how long we use it. It could last only... Last year, our heat lasted 21 days. Every 21 days, we had to put 100 gallons in. So it depends on how cold it gets. I hope it lasts a month or two. Would be nice, but I doubt it. It's only 100 gallons. Now, if I was going to fill my tank, like fill it, like my 275 gallons, that would make me a little bit, because I wouldn't be running on, you know what I mean? That would last a little bit longer, but, oh my God, I'm cold. I can hear it in my voice. 100 gallons is really not that much. Especially when you're on E. Our tank is completely empty, so. Yeah, it's really not that much. My nose is cold. Like, literally. Yeah, I was actually going to go start the oven again. It actually warmed the house up pretty well. Alright. Gonna turn that bitch back on, open that door, and it should get it warm in here again. Whew. Till I warm up. Then we're gonna get busy doing some chores in a little bit here. Oh, I didn't even see your request, honey. So I must have stepped away. I didn't see it. I wanted that Dunkin' drink, but I might put it back in the fridge for a little bit later. I want one of my drinks. Welcome in, everybody. Oh, I got a phone call. Hold on. Oh, it's a potential spam. Yeah, it's probably a troll call on my cell phone. Yes, I'm back. Thank you, Jessa. We have the witchy hat. Oh, they're calling again. Spam call again. Two times they've called. Oh my god. Thank you for the witchy hat. Oh, Fancy, welcome in. Thank you for my witchy bitchy hat. Because I'm a witchy bitchy. I'm a witchy bitchy. I a witchy bitchy bitchy. And I bitch a bitch a bitch. Perfect diamond. Crystal, I don't understand your question that you messenger me. I don't know what you're talking about. If you want to ask her, you can. Because I don't know what you're saying.
Hi, friend.
Can't hear you. Hey?
Can't hear me?
Now I can.
What's up?
Not much. So what were you asking me? Because I'm a little confused.
I was asking her, she was talking about me when Perina came in.
When who?
The girl that you battled yesterday came in. Remember when we were sitting there and we were all talking and then she was like, oh, the girl was talking about you yesterday in her live?
Yeah, that P girl was, yes.
Yeah. And I was like, oh, is she talking about me?
Are
Because
you
I went over to her live, but
girl?
I went over to her live, but only to talk to my brother, Shane.
No, she's saying that petite girl was talking shit about me in a troll live.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah, that's what she was saying. Nothing to do with you.
Oh.
Yeah, nothing to do with you. Unless you're talking shit. If you're not talking shit, it weren't in the regards of you, no.
I wasn't.
Okay, then yeah, it ain't nothing to do with you, hon. You got me
You want to
confused.
battle? I don't have nobody over here.
Say what again?
Said you want to battle? I don't have nobody over here.
I guess we could do a couple.
I think I have like one nuggie. Maybe.
I'm trying to look
No,
for
I have
coffee.
0.
I want new coffee creamer, but it's like I don't get to try new coffee creamer.
Why not?
I don't know. So I will stay with the same old, boring, same old. I'm a boring person when it comes to like shit like this. But I saw something at Walmart the other night that sounded really good. Something brown sugar something. And now
Is
of
it like
course
a holiday one?
maybe it was. So
It
I'm
might
looking
be,
to
because
see
that's
if
what it sounds
Hannaford.
like.
Yeah, I'm seeing if Hannaford has it, but I don't think they do.
Mm-hmm.
They have vanilla milk, caramel milk. We have pumpkin. I want something brown sugar, and I don't know why. I just do.
There should be a brown sugar one.
Guys, I'm sorry. Give me 1 minute. What the fuck was it? Woman, look up. I'm looking. What am I looking for? Starbucks. It's Starbucks? Okay, hold on. Starbucks brown sugar creamer. We may not carry it. We don't. No. Can you get it? Send it to me. Send me a
You're a hot
Walmart.
mess.
Hey, you said you wanted to send me a coffee. Can you send me a Walmart order with brown sugar flavored shit? Oh man. Yeah, I don't have it.
That's weird that you don't have it.
Yeah, we don't. I'm looking right now, and there's
Maybe go into Starbucks and ask them if they sell it at a store.
Oh God, I don't even have a Starbucks near me, honey.
Call them. That's what I would do. I would call them.
At Walmart. Yeah, I'm wondering if I could do a Walmart order. Hold on. Walmart. Send me a Walmart order. Somebody sent me one before. Fun one. Send me a Walmart order.
Hey, Mama Pity.
Oh shoot.
You gonna win because I ain't got nobody over here.
Oh, I'm balling over here with 37 motherfucking points. We're not even getting any of our witchy hats. So we can't be witchy bitchies.
Oh
You want to be a
man.
witchy bitchy with me? Oh, we got a
Yeah.
witchy bitch. Woohoo! Witchy bitchy from Nebraska, mama.
Hey, Angela.
Are you
What's
serious?
going
I
on?
can't do DoorDash through Walmart right now? I mean, not DoorDash. Grocery, whatever. Delivery.
A lot of sites are having problems ever since the government shut down.
Oh, I know. My payout took forever to come through today.
Oh yeah, that's right. People got paid today, huh? I forgot. I'm not a big baller like that, so I wouldn't know.
It won't let me deliver it.
That's weird.
Pickup only. Fun mom, can you do a Walmart delivery? Farmington, Maine. They have the coffee creamer at Walmart. Let me see what it's called at Walmart. Hey, she was offering to buy me a coffee. She could buy me coffee creamer.
Yeah.
Let's say Walmart. Thank you all for the witchy hats.
Hey, everybody.
All right, let's see what is it? Brown sugar something. Brown. Cancel.
Hi, everybody.
Brown sugar
Hi.
creamer.
Put Starbucks in front of it and see what it says. Thank you.
Yep, it came right up. It's brown sugar shaken express. I've never heard of that.
Shaking?
Yeah, they have it at Walmart. Oh my god, I want it so bad. It won't let me pick it. It won't let me deliver it.
Why did my screen just go black all of a sudden?
Woo, thank you. Oh shit, we did go black. Why?
I don't know. That was weird. Like the screen just went all the way black.
Huh. That was weird. I saw you. I saw it. Oh my God, they got a maple brown sugar cold foam too. Oh my Lord.
I know you can see us both now, but the screen was just black. That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, it went completely black. And then it came back. It was weird.
Yeah.
I was looking
I ain't
down and
never seen.
I saw it.
I ain't never seen that.
Wow,
I
they
don't. Well,
even
I don't
have
go
a
live too much often,
Starbucks sugar
anyways.
cookie latte. Wow.
I don't go live a lot, anyways. So I got to the D1 because of the agency that I'm in. That's the only reason why I got all the way up to D1. Hi, everybody.
I used to be part of an agency.
I'll
So
follow
they
you guys
dropped me,
back
but
when I get off the live. Yeah.
thank you
I'm
guys.
in
Time
the
soon. Let's go.
I'm
Sorry guys, I'm
I'm in the
trying to do this.
GQ. I'm like shaking. I think it's because I haven't ate nothing. I think that's
Very
why.
thank you. Thank you, Nebraska Mama. Thank you, Fancy. Let's go. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to see if it will let me order.
I see my brothers live.
What the fuck? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I don't know what it just did to me.
Thank you, everybody. Hi, Simply.
Hmm. I'd have to find a ride there.
Guys, stop the screen. I'm
But it
sharing
is
it to
near
live.
this Starbucks brown sugar cinnamon.
Brown sugar cinnamon.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Espresso. I don't know what espresso means, but hey.
Espresso. It's
Yeah.
double shotted then. It has more coffee in it. So it's like more caffeinated,
Oh, we
basically.
got trolls in here. I mean, we got bots, you guys. That ain't real points.
What?
We got bots in
How is it
here.
not? How is
We
it
got
not
bots.
points?
I'll talk to you later about it. I can't say much on here because it could get
Oh.
me in trouble.
Come on, you guys, snipe. Come on, snipe. We'll do one more because I got a couple people in here. There's all MPVs.
Thank you, everybody, for the gifts. Thank you so much, all of you. I'm trying a different location to see if I can find one.
I'm like shaking. Like, I don't know why. It's weird.
Nope. I don't have it anywhere else, you guys. Let me check one more location. That's Hannaford. Hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second. It's hard when you don't drive, you know?
Why don't you drive?
I don't have a license on.
Girl, I don't have a license and I drive my mother-in-law's car all the damn time.
Well, I've been caught 7 times, so I'm a habitual offender. And I don't want to
Shit.
be caught.
That's a lot. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'd have to go to Walmart unless somebody here is willing to do a Walmart order for me. I ain't gonna be able to find a ride.
Go through DoorDash.
They don't have Walmart as under our app. They only have Hannaford. Hannaford don't carry the product. They only
What
have
about Uber?
some weirdness. Yeah, we're done.
Uber should be able to deliver.
I don't know even what that is.
Uber?
Yeah.
Just look up Uber Eats. It's just like DoorDash.
Oh.
I'm not gonna win any of this. Fuck.
I do not have a target. You guys, those are fake points. Those are not real. Not a one of those are real. I wish they were.
That's crazy.
Means I have bots in here. Hey, Will, do you have Uber Eats
Oh.
on your thing or no?
Huh?
Will? Will, what? Will, do you have Uber Eats on your app store?
That's crazy. So I wonder how many points you actually have.
Technically, I've only got a couple roses. So
Yeah,
technically,
so that's weird that they're gonna count that.
they do. I think it's so dumb.
Because I seen another girl that was doing a battle earlier, and somebody that was in ghost mode sent her a lion, and it showed up as the same as yours, but a lot more points. But she didn't show up in the bubble,
Hmm.
and she was like a top gifter badge.
That's weird.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'll just message
Thank you
you
all for the roses.
and see. Because if I'm not mistaken, I think what you're talking about is what I seen earlier in the battle that I was in earlier. See, this is why I don't go live, because I don't get many people in my live.
I get it. You just gotta keep trying. It sucks, believe me. I have crash outs. I'm not perfect at it either. I have a lot of crash outs.
But I have to go live so many hours. I think it's like 20 hours.
It'd be better if this phone didn't run so damn slow. I could do this. Oh my god.
Hi, baby doll.
Sorry, it sent me a code. I'm trying to get the code to work.
I need 3 gifts. 3 gifts. By 3 different people.
You don't have it? Oh, we don't have Uber Eats in Maine.
Where do you live?
Maine.
In Maine? That's weird. Hi, Megan. You guys just gonna sit there and watch me? That's weird.
Sorry, guys, I gotta verify a code. Give me 1 second. Jesus, just to get a fucking delivery, I have to verify everything is me? Just to have a delivery? Or try to have a delivery?
Somebody's comment was filtered. That's crazy.
Let's see, we'll see. Said it went through, but you don't even want to know what I just had to pay for fucking shipping. Unfucking real. Just to have an iced coffee here.
I hope she can't hear me. Why would she lie? No, I don't. Nope. I take this. I don't do drugs. And I don't scam because I'm not on here every day. No, I don't. I used to, like 7 years ago.
Try not to say that D word.
That's not a drug. The
Hey!
fuck?
Hey!
I know it does.
Hey, don't say the D word. Yeah.
If you call this a drug, then you need to go look it up and see what it actually is.
People, when you mute, doesn't mean you're muted. I heard everything you said. What does this mean by non-dairy? It's a non-dairy creamer, by the way. I don't know what that means, but...
It's powder.
Oh, it's powder? Oh.
It still has dairy in it, just powdered.
Oh, it's oat milk, they said.
No, it ain't.
Not powder, it's oat milk. Well, it's oatmeal.
Say oat milk.
It does.
Well, then next time just say, don't say it's no dairy.
It says no dairy, brown sugar shaken espresso,
That's stupid. Why would they say that?
oatmeal creamer. It says non-dairy. Somebody told me I wouldn't be able to tell the difference, but I can't wait to try it. I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, you will.
People can't respect me. When I say don't keep saying that word, you don't say that fucking word. At all. When I keep telling you, do not say that D word, that means you don't keep repeating it. And you definitely don't keep showing your thing. Definitely. And you think I'm stupid, but I could hear you say, oh, I hope she don't hear what I'm saying. Yeah, bitch, I heard everything. You're fake. Cool. Fake people all the time in my life. Fake. I hate fake bitches. Hate people that always talk shit. Why couldn't you say it to my face? You were right there. You said it to my face. But now you had to whisper. Fucking fake bitches, man. Fake fucking bitches. I'm so over fake fucking bitches. Oh, he is correct? Okay. I'll let Will know. Oh my god. I was like, what is that smell? Go to the oven. You don't even want to know what I paid for shipping to get, I mean, you don't even want to know what I just paid to have that delivered. You don't want to know. Oh, they canceled. Damn it, they canceled. Why? Hold on, they just canceled my order. Hold on. What the fuck? I verified that it was me. They canceled it due to verification. So I will have my money back in 14 days on my card. Even though I just did all the steps to verify it was me, my card said, hell no. Hell no. My bank card just said, nope, ain't happening. So they canceled. Jess, where are you? Jess, where are you? Do you have any money you could give me my creamer and bring it to me? I have nobody. I'm a loser. I have nobody. I have no friends that will bring me anywhere. Oh my god, I was so excited about that fucking coffee. Oh, my aching balls. That was fucking bullshit. What the fuck? Damn, that's bullshit. Why did my card do that?
Oh.
It canceled my motherfucking order.
Hey. I don't think I can get back with Archie's.
Oh, what?
I just called them.
Hold on, wait.
I don't
Let me
care
mute.
if they
Oh,
do it.
okay.
I just called them. I go, talk to one of the higher ups. Can I have the number still? He go, how's it going, Will? Pretty good. I go, I know I left on badge home. I'm sorry for that. I didn't know if you guys need some help for the winter, just for the winter. They ain't doing the summer there. I want to go back outside.
Right.
Go do what I want to do. Stuff. And she goes, not giving you 100% sure, but they might not. But I will talk to the higher up and see if you will be eligible to get hired. She goes, right now we are full with everybody, truck drivers included. They got plenty of people. She goes, but laborers come and go because people don't like to work. She said, she's cool. She's a cool lady. I left them bad homes. Hey, and then she said if I come back, I get more money this time. By the way. But she said I might not be eligible because I left bad homes.
Which you didn't.
Which I did. I admitted it. I did.
Did you say sorry while you were
Yeah.
on the
I
phone?
said I'm sorry for doing that. I go, I'm still young.
You are.
She goes, yeah, that's understandable.
You are still young, but at least you set up your apologies.
She goes, she talked to Jerry, Mr. Jerry, man. And he's like, I texted in a couple days, let you know if you're eligible. She goes,
I knew. What did I tell you,
He
Bubba?
even said, we
Can
like
you-
working with you. You just have attitude.
We're sorry. We canceled your items due to
Why is the oven on?
remove of authorization due to your bank.
Why is the oven on?
Because I want it warm in here. We have oil.
You know how much power ovens use?
I know.
for CMP?
Just turn it off a little bit then. Turn it back
You'd be
off.
alright with the cold.
I got the oil coming tomorrow.
You'd be alright with your little cold. Ain't even that cold as me.
It is to me. I'm fucking froze.
Go get more clothes on. I'm bored. Okay, now who can I call?
Fucking A. God damn it. I really wanted that coffee creamer.
Well, you need to go out. Go to the door.
Hey. Do you talk to Taylor anymore?
Yeah, once in a while, yeah.
Is she, can you ask her if she's working?
She's walking, most likely. Why?
I want to wait till the Walmart. I don't want to call my grandmother because if I
sick?
go with my grandmother, I'm fucked. I'll be
Sick?
there all fucking day.
You gotta sit though. The little shit.
Yeah, they
Sick.
denied it. They denied it
Hey,
immediately. I
you
could
know
call
the
my
code
bank and be
sick.
like, well, can you please put that payment through? But I don't feel like dealing with the hassle. So I'm just going to let it go. Anyway, it was going to cost $20 to deliver an
No,
$11 fucking
sick.
item.
You know better. Sit. Sit. Come on, little lady. Sit. What are you doing? Sit.
Just let her go.
Oh my god. You gotta sit though. No, Mom, you gotta train her back to normal again. Sit.
Sit, Johnny.
You have to sit.
Sit.
Come on, John. What are you doing? You know better. Come on. Sit. Hey. Sit. Sit.
Well, right now I think it's too much.
No. She's not.
Oh, there
Stay.
we go. There we go.
Stay. Now go. Go.
You're confusing her.
Go. No, I'm not confusing her. She's just being mean.
You guys, we need a meteor shower, a Leon the Kid, or a
Mom, who
flying
else should I
jet.
call?
Huh?
I'm trying to figure out. I called.
Oh,
Gregory.
I already knew you.
I already called Gregory's. He said they're not hiring me, but he got me in the books though for the next hire if they need somebody. He said that. I'm in one of the lists.
What did I tell you? Can you tell me I'm right?
No. And then I called Archie.
Tell me I'm
She said
right.
I might. And then I'm not going to Casella's because I can't.
He's only been gone one day. This
And
is
I'm
the first
already
day off and
driving
he's already
myself.
going crazy.
Dude.
Your dad told you to go to work with him.
I ain't going to walk with no more. I can't stand it, Mom. I can't. I'm gonna knock somebody out, or someone's gonna be in the hole. Yeah.
Well, anyway, I knew you were going to go nuts.
I'm just trying to figure out who to call next. No. No. Go.
No.
Go.
I have to travel far away. Sheena, make sure you are paying attention. I fucking am. I'm fucking paying attention.
Hey, I could go be a mechanic because I know a little bit. You know any good mechanic around here?
Mechanic? Well, how can you be a mechanic? You have to have a license for that.
No, you don't. No, you don't. To be a mechanic? No, you don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, you can't. No. It's called being an apprentice. You know what an apprentice is? It's called a newbie.
You're putting me to bed.
And then when it's not raining out, because I know those guys that are building their house up the road, I know they're not walking today. They ain't walking in the rain.
Well, there. We got our flying jets. Flying jets! We got them! We got the flying jets! The jets, Jessica said, here, the jets will take you to the store. Here's the jets. They'll take you to the store, Sheena. Oh my God, Jessica, thank you so much. Woo! Now we need our last two who's going to help her out. We need the Leon the kitten. Now we got to take a trip to Walmart in our flying jets. Somehow. Jessica, are you here? Wait, what? That's somebody's name. Wait, what? Thank you so much, Jessica. Let's go. Jessica, are you guys out and about today or no? Yeah, you. Oh, shit. You're far away. Okay, got it. Well, do you have any friends?
Nope.
I don't want to call my grandmother. I really don't want to call my grandmother. I really don't.
Just for coffee. You're freaking out over coffee.
Yes, I want a new coffee flavor.
Just go fucking next door and figure it out.
Next door don't have anything. They're fucking boring as fucking hell.
Figure it out.
You go to bed.
Well, if you go to Walmart, you better get something to eat for me.
Get what?
You better give me something to eat. I'm hungry, dude.
Oh, no, too bad.
No.
We don't feed kids around here.
Well, I'm not a kid.
Kids that don't work
Hey,
don't get fed.
I'm not a kid. I'm a young adult. Get it right.
Nope, you're a kid.
No, I'm not.
You're a kid. Alright, let's see what Hannaford has for fucking creamer. God darn it. This is Walgreens. What the fuck? Why are we at Walgreens? We're boring. We don't have very many options to eat anywhere. We are the most boringest people in this world. No, but for real, what kind of dinner would you like, Will? I know Dad wants a good... Oh, not tonight. Dad ain't home. My bad. Well, what can we make for... Guys, we only have 2 gift goals. Jess has started the flying jets. Who can help with the meteor shower? Or the Leon the Kid? Somebody match her energy, please. Can we please get this gift gallery done and over with? Because it's driving me nuts. Kenny, I agree with you. What, bub?
Leave me alone. Take it over here. Good call.
For what?
Get a job.
Oh.
I ain't fucking around, dude. I need a job. I'm not gonna be here dealing with you all the time.
Good. I didn't want to deal with you either.
Okay, good. Well, both on good terms then.
Can you please just tell me I was right?
No, you're not right, dude.
Please,
I'm
Will.
doing this for myself, not you.
No, you know I'm right.
For what?
Because I said, Will, you were going to go crazy day 1. You're going to be flipping out. You're going to be looking for a job. You're like, oh no, I'll be laid off for the whole winter and be lazy. I'm like, dude, no, you're not going to be. Don't fucking lie to me.
Show you how, bro.
And who was right?
Me. I was right.
I was right.
I already said I was gonna get.
I knew it. What about coffee cake flavored oat cream? I wonder if that's good.
Okay. You good? Yeah, Brad. I'm bored. No, I'm gonna wake up. They gave me already. Mom, when are you going back to bed?
I'm not. I gotta work.
Well, you're not being live all day.
Well, I have to be. Yeah, too bad, Will.
You better be buying me lunch soon then.
I just said that and you didn't answer.
Well, it ain't lunchtime yet. We're gonna wait a couple more minutes. Don't we? Don't they open at 11? DoorDash?
We don't have to eat lunch at 11, do we?
I do. You get something later for yourself, but I'm hungry. Dude, you see how much I eat out bowl? Quite a bit. No.
Why is it raining?
Hey, if you buy me a 4-wheeler, I can give you 12 on it. You know that?
Hmm?
Well, what can I get? Huh?
What?
What can I get?
What are you talking about?
Food.
Well, I'm worried about Creamer right now. Mind your own business.
What am I limited to?
Huh?
Like, what's my limit?
Well, shh.
Well,
I'm trying to think of coffee creamer right now.
I'm trying to think something to eat.
And you're pissing me off. Now shut up.
Well, can I get BK?
Ew. See, they don't have a Dunkin' coffee creamer. Dunkin'.
Mom?
They don't. Man, we're fucking boring.
You're fucking bored. You won't let me know what I do. Get a BK, Mom.
No, BK sucks.
You said you have to have it.
I don't want BK.
You don't have to have BK.
I don't want BK.
What am I allowed to have?
I don't know.
Oh my god, Mom.
I need my media shower, Will.
And I need something.
And I need a Leon the Kitten, Will. Tell everybody to send it so we could get lunch.
No. Where's the outpost? Did you go to the outpost or something?
Yeah, one day I could order that and next day I couldn't. Fucking bullshit.
Stupid.
Oh, it pisses me off. Like, dude, straight up pisses me off. One day it's here, next day it's gone.
Dude, we can go all the way to J. Cumberland Farms. You can get KFC?
Outpost is not on here for real.
No, it's not. McDonald's? Dunkin'? Subway?
I don't want Subway. I don't want any of this.
Talk about Lynn Street, Domino. Fuck your Subway. Fuck your Subway.
I can't believe Outpost is not there.
Well, Mom, you better give me something to eat. I'm going to get started, dude.
Well,
You what? You starved me, dude. You ain't getting Pizza Hut either.
no.
Okay, that makes no sense, Mom.
What?
So, it says Pizza Hut's right, 4.8 miles away, right? Never mind, that makes sense. Never mind. And then what do you want, Mom?
I don't know, Bob.
Can I just get BK for myself?
Get BK for yourself. Not a lot.
No shit. And you don't have to pay a delivery fee either. By the way.
Do it?
You don't have to pay a delivery fee.
Why?
Because, my buddy called Junior, he gave me, added me to his DoorDash.
Oh, that's sweet.
I was at his house that weekend.
Yeah.
A little money. We had rent that week. And I didn't want him to pay for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, use your money, but I'm giving you discount. I ordered right? Like 8, 9 snacks for us, right? Would be without the DoorDash pass. But like I said, $50. Guess how much I got it for?
How much?
$48.
Holy shit.
That's a lot of money to save, dude.
Hey, save money, save money. Somehow, some way, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Now you got me thinking of food.
Well, I'm used to eating.
And I wasn't thinking food. Now I'm thinking of food.
You want to go to your cheeseburger though?
No, Will, I don't want nothing from there.
Yeah.
I don't think. No, I think... I'm hungry now. See what you did?
I ain't do that, dude.
I don't know. I don't know if I want... Because I'm so sick of Subway, too. I'm sick of food. But I would like to... I like their burger at, Burger King. If you're gonna order Burger King, I'll save money and I'll order Burger King with you. Give me your phone and I'll order it my damn self. Oh, I have coffee, guys. I just wanted another creamer. But I'll go next door to get that later. We're gonna have Burger King together. But guys, in the meantime, we do have the witchy hats. We need the media shower. We need the Leon the Kitten. Come on, guys. Let's get this gift gallery done. But we got to get off our lazy asses soon. And we got to... Actually, you know what? He's ordering me lunch. This is a good opportunity for me to take a break. Hang out with you.
So you're paying for it.
Huh?
You're paying for it.
No, I know that. But it's a good opportunity for me to take a break, eat lunch with you, and then come back on and we can do our routine together. That's what I was trying to tell him, because I don't eat online. Okay. Sound like a plan, guys? I'm going to go eat dinner with Will. And maybe we should wake up Donovan so he can have something.
I just give him something.
Okay. I'm going to go eat lunch with Will, and then we'll come back. We'll turn on some music. We got to do the guinea pigs. We got to do the laundry. We got to do all the things. Okay? But I'm going to go eat, and hopefully we can get the rest of our gift gallery later. So if any of you guys could help out with the media shower or the Leon the Kitten, that would be awesome. And thank you, Jessa, so much. Can one of you unfollow and refollow me, though? One of you right now. I would say I'd probably be back on by 12. Huh? But yeah, I was going to say about an hour, about 12, 12:30. I'll be back on. So if you guys could help out with the gift gallery at that time, that would be awesome. Okay, let's see. All right, we're at 40%. That just gave us $2 extra. Literally. That is so crazy. Holy fuck, is it raining? Holy shitballs, it's raining. Like, I mean, it's raining. Damn. So yeah, later, if any of you could do the Leon the Kitten or the Leon the Kitten or the media shower, and help Jessa, because she did help, that would be awesome, you guys, if any of you guys could do that. Thank you guys so much. So if you guys could keep that in mind, and if anybody could help out with that later, that would be awesome, because I really would like to get it done. So that way, we are done and it's done and over with. And then we could just do our regular little gifts and have fun. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I gotta get off. What am I doing? I'll be back after lunch. I forgot what I was fucking doing. I'm just sitting here like da 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 dum.